Back in the 80s, I read this book called Neuromancer. I think it was written by William Gibson. Well, in this book, they had these devices. I think they were called the Ono Sendai Cyberspace Deck 7. Well, at the time that I read the book, the technology didn't exist. But today, the technology does exist. So I always wanted a cyber deck. So today, I'm going to build one. It's not working. Try to figure this out and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the deal. The CM5 that I have has an eMMC, which is an embedded multimedia card. I won't be able to use this CM5 in conjunction with an SD card. To fix the problem, I have to use a separate carrier card, which will allow me to mount the CM5 as a removable drive, pretty much. Once I do that, I'll be able to flash the CM5 with a new OS image file. And that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, it's recognized as removable media. And in a minute, you'll see it will mount the CM5. And here we go. It's mounted. Looks like it assigned it a drive letter of L. I'm not sure what's on this card already, but it's gonna all go away in a second here. To flash the CM5, I'm using a Raspberry Pi image application. And here I'm choosing the image file that I want to flash to it. In this case, I'm going with the Clockwork Trixie image. Choosing the drive here, which is drive L. Confirming everything. It's the image file I want to flash. Here the system is warning me that it will destroy all the data that's currently in the eMMC right now. And that's what I want. Here it's writing the image file. And then it's verifying all the written data. And as you can see, Windows mounted the drive right away. And if all goes well, I should have a working ClockworkPi uConsole OS. Oh, hey, it's working. It's working.